I want to introduce you to the fabulous Colleen Rothschild's Extreme Moisturizing Cream. Look at this. This is Extreme Recovery Cream that uses a neat proprietary blend of hyaluronic acid, wubai, matrix synth, and aesthetic. Now those incredible ingredients, they feel amazing. They will help fight fine lines and wrinkles, and they are my powerful go-to flagship product for moisturization. You will fight aging with this incredible blend. It feels like ice cream. It feels so good on my skin. Now, this was provided for me from Colleen Rothchild to share with you, and I am so happy to recommend this cream. Morning and night, you're going to run to put this on your skin because it is fabulous. You can see how plump and juicy my skin looks. This is the thing that you're going to want to use every single day because it is game-changing. You can put it on your face and it's fabulous on the neck. It helps return your skin to its natural glow with a fabulous set of moisturizing ingredients. This is a really, really great product. I highly recommend it. You're going to want to use it with the cleansing balm and the other fine products in Colleen Rothchild, but you can see my skin is plump, it's juicy, and it is fabulous. It has great results with customers. It comes highly recommended, and customers keep buying it over and over again because it really works. And it works by strengthening the skin barrier. It provides ultra hydration and moisturizing, and it helps fight the signs of aging, all within one product. And it comes in different sizes. You will love this product. I highly recommend it. For your best skin ever, this is a great product.